Hello, my name's Stephen Bright and this is an introduction to our core product range. This is our EasiBridge Tactical Assault Emergency Access Bridge. So first of all, what is EasiBridge? Well, EasiBridge is a ladder bridging system. We connect ladders together, tension with a rope, launch into place and then allow personnel to cross on a trolley. Key to the system is that method of launch. So that was a 10.5 metre bridge. We can extend the system up to 18 metres, still installed by a single operative from the home bank only. We can also launch vertically to gain rapid access to the side of buildings. We can then use that to move personnel, ammunition or equipment up the outside of buildings and then subsequently onwards to move between buildings. So here we see it first being used as an ascender to convey up the side of the building and then pulled, recovered to be used as a bridge to move onwards between buildings. Span increments, anything up to 6 metres, very basic, plain ladders, no ropes. Up to 10.5 metres we had a single stay and 2 ropes. For 18 metre spans we had 2 stays and 5 ropes. So here we see a large 18 metre span being installed and crossed. This bridge only weighs 92 kilograms for a 200 kilogram payload, still installed by a single operative. Here's a summary of all those bridge sizes. Key thing to note is these component sizes, 1.5 metre ladder sections used throughout. Vertical systems tend to be limited to 10.5 metres in range here. So key to the system is this portability. A complete 12 metre bridge fits on a single quad bike using 1.5 metre ladders. So this is the world's first user portable long span rescue and assault bridge, all built from 1.5 metre 7 kilogram ladder sections. Designed for personnel or quad bike transit. Span range up to 18 metres with multiple wider capabilities. This is a market comparison with our nearest rival systems. This uses much bigger, much heavier modules. So by comparison, EasiBridge is 88% lighter, 90% more compact, 88% cheaper. Unique selling points, portability. A 10.5 metre bridge only weighs 50 kilograms. Range 18 metres with access from one side only. Thirdly, cost. This is essentially just ladders and ropes, so 88% cheaper than any alternative system. Finally, versatility. As well as the bridge, we offer 12 wider product applications. More on that shortly. So we also offer confined spaces, specialist access capabilities. Here we see a 13.5 metre bridge launched and built by just 2 personnel from a 2.5 metre room. So we launch it into place and then invert, ready for personnel to cross. Here we see that in more detail, where we see the ladders being added as the structure is built out of the space. Build and boom technique, so we can build a 12 metre bridge in a 2 metre confined space. Having done that, we can then move very easily window to window or rooftop to rooftop between buildings. We can also very simply build bridges from the system. So this shows first of all our tactical trolley bridge we saw earlier, launched into place and crossed on the trolley. To turn that into a footbridge, we had handrails, which is just the ladder decks on their sides, and then deck over, ready for foot traffic. We can extend that to build light vehicle bridges up to 1 capacity, and also these vertical access systems as a ladder and as this easy shift materials handling conveyor. We can also build force protection systems, so blast resistant roof trusses or very simple trench covers. Specialist access systems include fence breaching systems and underbridge access platforms. We also have a number of civilian applications. So firstly, water rescue, an alternative to rope access crossings. We can offer 18 metre spans installed in under 20 seconds. We can also use the system for mountaineering crevasse crossings, where we treble the span range of existing ladders from 6 metres to 18 metres. Much simpler, safer use installation. We can use it for emergency access, using the ladders just as a track slopeway or as a structure spanning over gaps as a We can also use the system for mud and ice rescues as an alternative to these cumbersome air track rescue paths. For casualty evacuations, we can simply place a casualty directly on the ladders for carriage or using that tactical strip kit. We can also use this infantry carrier system we've devised to carry the bridge, so this carries the entire bridge, or we can use it for single-handed casualty evacuation also. So to conclude, key to the system is portability, speed and versatility. We offer very long spans, up to 18 metres, installed very quickly by a single operative. Very heavy payloads, up to 200 kilograms, and critically multiple wide abilities. These include bridging and rescue, vertical access, troop protection, specialist access, and casualty evacuation, all from one common kit of parts. A few quotes and commendations here. This is intriguing in its simplicity and function, and your product looks very interesting and provides a unique capability. Thank you much for your time. Any further questions, please contact us here.